Hey guys, Morbid here, and today we're going to go over the word breaking spell where taking out words from Brakebills that Professor Lee did in season 1, episode 4. And like always, we're going to go through a history spell followed by a demonstration, then a step-by-step instruction. So this spell, like I said earlier, was done in season 1, episode 4, when Quentin had been locked in his own kind of nightmare, but through the help of Marina and Julia, who put him under. And the only way to break out of it was to let a Matarese and go inside of Quentin. And the only way to make a Matarese, which is a evil bug spirit from the underworld, is to let the wards down around Brakebills so that it could get in. So in order for them to take the wards down, Professor Lee took them down so the Matarese can get in, do its job, and in the end save Quentin. But now for the spell itself, it wasn't a lot to be shown. Now, there were different parts to it that Professor Lee performed, and some of them was to allow the Matarese inside of Quentin to control it, to actually break down the wards for Brakebills. So I'm only going to do the breakdown of the wards from Brakebills, and in the future go through the other spell that he did if requested. If not, I probably would do it on my own. But let's go ahead and get started. And that's it. That's literally it. That was literally it for taking down the wards of Brakebills. And I feel like the only reason it was that simple because you have to have authorizations. Because remember, all the wards are fingerprinted. So I guess his fingerprints were allowed for the ones to take down the wards. So because of that, it's not really much for him just turn it off and then on. That was just him simply unraveling the spell. Okay. But step-by-step instructions, we're going to start with prayer hands together. Still in prayer hands, tilt your hand forward to where now they're pointing directly in front of you. And then slowly turn the outside of your left hand and your right hand upwards. Still holding your hands together. Your thumbs should still be connected. And now your hands should be flat with your thumbs right under. Okay? Afterwards, you're going to separate them. Your middle finger is down. Your left and right index finger, middle ring finger, pinky is projected upwards, okay? And then your thumb should point out laterally. So your right hand should be thumb should be pointing to the left, while your left thumb should be pointed out to the right. All right, so let's try it again from here, 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 okay? Out. Begin to draw in circles. Remember, your circles should go inward, so left should be going to the left and around, and the right should be going to right and around. But you should be doing them together to slowly unwind the wards, okay? All right, for that's it today. If you guys want to speed up, let's do a speed up right now. Here, 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 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 is a safe number for me, but let's try it one more time. All right, and that'll be it for today. So thank you for the comment that suggested this. Like, subscribe. Check out my Twitter. It's actually becoming more popular. Starting to get some more attention, which is great. I'll be making another video discussing some other stuff, but that'll be it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.